Welcome to Coffee and Condos, where we take you through a property for a property tour as the buyer. And we are usually powered by some local caffeine fuel. Today we're powered by Fork Hill Kitchen in Union City. I'm Tom Worley, and I've been helping buyers and sellers navigate Hudson County for more than a decade. Our subject property today is only 1 block from Fork Hill Kitchen, and the nice part is, where I'm standing right now, is a half a block to the bus line that takes you in and out of New York City, so your commute would be a breeze. Let's take a look. All right, so we're going to start here in the lobby. All of this has been recently redone. I mean, look at that view though. Right when you walk into the building, you have this beautiful view, 24-hour doorman, and the pool's back there. We're going to get to that pool in a second. If you look right back here, you can see all that pool deck area. We'll get to that, I promise. But here's the mail room here. And the nice part is when you're dealing with luxury buildings, which this is what this is. So you get the gym, you have parking available. Every unit is guaranteed to have a parking spot. The parking spot's an additional $165 per month, but you also get package room. So everybody gets everything from Amazon and boom, it goes right into your package room. But let's take a look at this because, I mean, tell me a place, unfortunately the deck's closed today, but tell me a place that you're gonna get better views than that. I mean, this is Union City, and just look at that. Imagine sitting there, cocktail, summertime, pool's full, hanging out, overlooking the most famous view on the planet. I mean, absolutely spectacular. The unit that we're gonna see today too has views from its unit on its private balcony as well. So this is not the only outdoor space that you get if you purchase with this particular unit. So now we're gonna walk down the hallway. They're redoing all of these hallways and it's set to be done soon. This building has done a lot of work to the common spaces to update everything, which is really nice, but we're gonna walk down the hallway. All the amenities and everything here are gonna be on the first floor. You're gonna hear some work going on in a second. And we're gonna hit the gym. See, there's the boys getting the work done. Common area, whoop, excuse me. And now we're gonna go right into the gym area. Now, if you're like me, you're super busy, kids, life in general, work, everything else that comes with just living in general, right? Well, when you have a gym inside of your building, guess what? You're out of excuses to not get a workout in. And this makes great use of the space in the gym. You got all your cardio stuff here. Do your cardio while you're, again, staring at beautiful views. TVs to watch the game, whatever it is that you want to do while you work out. And over here, some free weight stuff. And look, there I am again. What's up, guys? So here, it's not much, but it's more than enough to get the job done in terms of having a gym inside of your building. You're going to be running out of excuses as to why you're not exercising. This unit's on the second floor, so what we're going to start at first is I want to show you guys the laundry room. Every floor here has a laundry room. So one of the rules is that you can't install a washer and dryer because water is included. Water, heat, everything's included, so you can't technically put a washer and dryer in there. And the reason for that is typically when you have water included, you can't regulate who's using what, so your washer and dryer is going to use more water than somebody else's, but you guys are paying the same bill, right? It just comes down to, co-op and HOA structure. But every floor has a washer and dryer room on it, so that's convenient. Let's start at the entrance. I'm standing at the door. You got your kitchen off to the left. You've got a big living room and your bedroom. Primary bedroom's back there with a bathroom in it. And we'll go through some specifics of the unit now. So in this unit, we've got just over 1,300 square feet, 2 beds, 2 baths. And the nice part is this is a blank slate. And let's face it, every home tour typically starts in the kitchen. A lot of buyers tend to say, I want to see the kitchen. So here you have it. And the truth is, this kitchen could certainly use some upgrades. The nice part about this price point, we're priced just over $300,000 right now. So the nice part is there's plenty of meat on the bone to leave room to do these renovations. A renovated unit in this building typically sells for high 400s, low 500s. So something this size at just over $300,000, there's plenty of room to do the immediate renovations and then have the equity. And if you click the link in the description of this, I've actually already got a quote to do the work that needs to be done here from a contractor. So you can click that, I'll send that over to you, and that way you can actually see what the scope of work that this guy was thinking about quoting to do, give you an idea of what the costs are. So obviously this kitchen here, you can easily take this out and redo this with and make it far more modern. The nice part is you do have this area here for a true eat-in kitchen. It flows directly into your living room as well. And the nice part is, which I'm going to show you in a second when I turn you around, is from standing in the kitchen, I'm looking directly at the Freedom Tower. I've got pieces of the Hudson River, and let's take a look at that now. And there's our chandelier here for our eat-in kitchen, but I mean, look at this view. And that's a view from your balcony as well. But this is, you're standing in your kitchen, eating, having your morning coffee, and that's what you're looking at for just over $300,000. It's complete insanity. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. And then we'll take a look here, I'll turn you around, and here's the big open living room. So sometimes when people are building bigger places, you've got that 1,300 square foot number on this. Sometimes you lose a little bit of space because maybe the bedrooms are too big, things like that. I think that this place does a really good job of using all of the space and keeping it wide open. Perfect for entertaining, come easily from the kitchen into the living space and out onto your balcony. This living room is more than big enough to put a sectional couch, put a nice recliner, however big you want to go, TV on the wall. It truly feels like a home. And the nice part is no matter where you are sitting in this living room, you're looking out onto your balcony and you've got sweeping city views from everywhere that you are in your living room, which is unbelievable and truly unheard of at this price point. The other thing is, here seems a little, may seem a little bit weird here with this door, walking in these French doors, walking into the second bedroom. But in that quote, if you click that link and sign up for it, I can send that quote over to you. The part of the work that I had the contractor do was give me a quote to redo the kitchen, redo all of the floors, and close off this wall for somebody if they wanted to use that as a true second bedroom and not have it, walk directly into their living room, because there is that second door off the hallway. So the nice part is that you can close that off. If you wanted to leave it because you're just going to use that as an office space, it's already built for that. You've got a little desk there. That's a Murphy bed in the back, which we'll take a look at in a second as well. But the overall size of this living room really allows for entertaining, having friends over, watching games, having family parties and things like that, which is kind of rare in the actual flow of this place, which next we're going to take a look at the balcony and I'll tell you what I'm talking about when I say the flow of the living space to the outdoor space. Now, if you look at this is the living room where we just were. These doors are double doors that open wide open directly onto your private balcony with that view. So you can sit out here, have your coffee, have your nightcap, plenty of space out here for, a little bistro table and plenty of other space to just kind of hang out. The nice part is, while yes, you can still see the pool area, you're far enough away from it where you're not going to hear the noise or anything like that on weekends. And you've got this beautiful Hudson River view along the whole balcony. And the nice part is, if sunsets are your thing, you can easily take a look back there and watch the sun go down as well. So this place gets plenty of natural light, views for days, and outdoor space at the right price. Now let's walk through the rest of the unit. These are the French doors that we were talking about there before. So you've got this here as one bedroom. Got your closet here. This is what I was talking about where you have that second entrance. So you can easily, close off that wall before. And there we are again, bathroom number one. Could certainly use some updatings, but again, that quote, if you click the link, that quote is in there to do everything. Bathrooms, kitchen, floors, everything that you need to do here. And then we walk back here to an oversized primary. This place is more than large enough to have a king-size bed, dresser, end tables, the whole 9 yards for everything that you would need here. And you've got plenty of natural light. And you've got your primary bath, which I'm going to be honest with you. Again, click the link for the quote to do the work, but this place definitely, I mean, this just, not going to lie, it reminds me of Grandma's place. And the truth was, this was an older woman who lived here who renovated it to her taste. But this could really be spectacular when it's all said and done. Stand-up shower. And this is an easy renovation. This is not something that's going to, hello again. This is not something that's going to take very long to do. So if you have the ability, you could get all this stuff done before even moving into the unit. Or frankly, the place is ready to move into now, which is nice. And then you can do the work over time if you needed to. You've got plenty of closet space. There's our front door. Plenty of closet space here too. Coat closet. Coat closet here. You've got a linen closet here. So you've got plenty of space and storage and everything else here. And again, you also get parking, guaranteed one spot, $165 a month. But I mean, this is really the moneymaker here. You get the view from your living room, the view from your kitchen, and the view from your pool inside of your building at a price where, after a little bit of work, a little bit of investment, this place is worth significantly more. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions at all, you can comment below or reach out to me via email or cell phone. All my information is in my bio. And if you want a view like this for just over $300,000, let's grab a cup of coffee and get you in for a tour. And if you're just curious about what renovations like this and maybe what it would cost to update this place, don't forget to click the link in the description here, and I'll get you over the quote to do all the work in here to get this place pristine and really grab that property equity value that's sitting there waiting for somebody to take it.